Hey, it's Stephanie, and the color of the week is orange. So, that was kind of awkward. Something smells like poop. So anyways, the color of the week is orange. As you see, there's a lot of orange on me, and behind me, and on my lesbian cat. So yes, that's the color of the week, is orange. Orange blankets, orange curtains, orange shirt. Definitely there's something new today. Now we wear the same shirt, kind of shirt. Not the same shirt, but the same kind of shirt. Yeah. Well, that's about it. So anyways, I'm being stalked. Stop. Stop, Holly. No, no, no hug. No hug. Being stalked. No, no hug. No hug. She was trying to hug me. No hug. So anyways, this light's really bright. What do you want? Are you seriously gonna stalk me and follow me around? So anyways, I'm away from this cat that's still following me. This cat is scaring me, following me around. Oh my god. Holly! Holly, save me, I'm dying! Holly, save me! I broke my leg! Holly, 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 come save me! Come on, come save me, Holly! Come on! Holly, I broke my leg, you're supposed to come. Ow! Holly, Holly, I broke my leg! Holly, I broke my leg! Come save me, Holly! Come save me! Come save me, Holly! Come... What a good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Ah, she kneeled. Oh, no, 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 she's gonna choke. She's gonna choke. Holly, Holly. So anyways, just wanted to say hi and stuff, so bye-bye. Okay, bye. Okay, ditch me, loser.